temperature and stay away from windows.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather has occurred or forecast to occur in our list.
There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast
Oh, boy.
Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near a ridge and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Oak Brook, Hinsdale, Willow Springs, Justice, LaGrange, Westchester, Brookfield, Summit, Alsip, Lyons, Oak Lawn, Riverside, Maywood, Forest Park, Berwyn, Stickney, River Forest, Midway Airport and Oak Park. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Hawthorne Park, Lincoln Park Zoo, Moraine Valley Community College, Soldier Field, Museum Campus, McCormick Place and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ81.